Hello and welcome to HNS Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Facebook account permanently, or we're also going to look at how you can deactivate it. There are two options available. You can either deactivate your account, which could be a temporary option if you want to come back to it at a later stage, or alternatively you could also permanently delete your account, and that deletes all of your data, including all the posts and everything you have on Facebook, including the Messenger app as well. So we're going to look at both of these today, how you can do it. So with that being said, let's get started. So first thing you need to do is to go to the Facebook app, of course. On the Facebook app, you need to go to the top right corner. You see those three lines. Click on that and scroll down to the option of settings and privacy. Inside settings and privacy, click on the settings option, and then you need to scroll down to the section of your Facebook information. Inside that section, there's an option of account ownership and control, so you need to click on that. And here you have different options, and the middle one is the deactivation and deletion. Now Facebook doesn't let you go away that easily. They ask you multiple times if they could do something about before you go, if they could do something to improve your experience so you don't have to leave the Facebook. And you are going to notice that in just a while. When you click on this, they will be giving you different options to do certain things to make you stay with the Facebook. So let's click on the deactivation and deletion, and here you have two options. So first one is the deactivate account, and the second one is delete account. Now deactivation, what it does is that it temporarily disables your profile, and your photos and your name will be removed from certain posts. However, you will still have access to the Messenger app on your phone. So that's one thing. So it's kind of a temporary. If you want to take a break from Facebook for a while and then you want to come back to it at a later stage, you could go for this option. Second option is to delete the account if you want to delete it permanently, and that is what we are going to look at today. And this completely deletes all of your data from Facebook. So you need to select this and then click on continue to account deletion. And here, as I mentioned earlier, that they will give you different reasons, or they will ask you different questions why you want to go away. And here's an example that they are looking for a reason why you're going away. It's kind of a survey or a feedback to Facebook as well, that why people would want to leave the Facebook. So you can either click on any of these options if you want to. If you click on any of these, they will give you different options. Let's say if we click on the second one, they give you so if we click on the first one, let's say I spend too much time on Facebook, then here they give you the option of managing your notifications. Maybe you can turn off some of the notifications to avoid getting notifications from Facebook, and that way maybe your Facebook usage could be minimized. So they give you different options. Now here, if you don't want to click on any of these, you can simply click on continue to account deletion. And now inside here, they again give you different options. So here, first thing is, if you want to keep the Messenger app, then option is to deactivate the account instead. Secondly, they give you save posts in your archive. So secondly, if they give you the reason if you don't want to show some of your posts to public, you can archive those. Next one is download your information. This is very important if you want to go away from Facebook, but you want to keep all of your data, that whatever you shared on Facebook, you can simply download a copy of it for your own records. So you could do that with this option here as well. And if you're a page admin or group admin, you can change the settings as per the options given here. And also it tells you that if you are linked to any of the apps, you could this will delete all of that as well. So if you want to go ahead, you just need to click on the delete account option at the bottom, and here it will ask you for the password of your account. So here you need to enter the password before you continue to delete your account. So you just need to enter the password here and then click on continue. And here, now this is the final step. This is where they tell you if you want to go ahead with the permanent deletion of your account. What will happen is that they give you a 30-day time period. If you want to come back to it, for example, if you for now you just really want to delete your account, but after a week or so you think that you just want to keep your account, so they give you a 30-day time period. Within that period, if you come back to your account and log in again, you can cancel the deletion request, and that way your account will stay as it is. However, if you don't give them a notice within 30 days, you don't come back to your account, after 30 days the deletion process will begin and everything from your account will be deleted and you won't have access to any of that anymore. So you would have to create a new account from scratch. So this is the final step. I don't want to delete my account for now, but if you want to go ahead, you can simply click on delete account, and that way you'll get that 30 days period. You'll be logged out from Facebook after this, and after that, if you want to come back to your account, you can do that within 30 days. After that, your account will be deleted from Facebook, including all the data. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. I'm just going to cancel this for now, and that's all there is to delete your account permanently from Facebook. Hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for any upcoming videos like this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.